Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. Also, keep in mind that this overview reflects my personal experience with the service. Today we're taking a look at Spring Financial, found at www.springfinancial.ca. Spring Financial is a Canadian company specializing in providing personal installment loans to individuals. They focus on assisting those who may not qualify for traditional loans, offering a streamlined online application process and quick funding. One of the key aspects of Spring Financial's service is its emphasis on speed and accessibility. They boast a rapid application review and approval process, often providing funds within 24 hours of approval. This can be particularly helpful for those facing unexpected expenses or urgent financial needs. They offer a variety of loan amounts and repayment terms, allowing borrowers to choose an option that aligns with their budget and financial circumstances. It's worth noting that while the application process is generally straightforward, potential borrowers should still carefully consider the terms and conditions of any loan agreement before signing. Transparency is important, so it's always a good idea to fully understand the interest rates, fees, and repayment schedule. While Spring Financial aims to provide financial solutions for Canadians, responsible borrowing practices are crucial for anyone considering taking out a loan. Spring Financial's website offers resources and tools to help potential borrowers make informed decisions. They provide clear information about their loan products, the application process, and responsible borrowing. This dedication to educating customers is a positive sign, as it empowers individuals to take control of their finances. Ultimately, Spring Financial positions itself as an alternative lending option for Canadians seeking fast and accessible personal loans. While their services may be beneficial for some, remember to thoroughly research and compare options before making any financial commitments. Taking the time to understand your financial needs and exploring various lenders can help you secure the best loan terms possible. Always be sure to borrow responsibly.